Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ilsusik Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. Ilsusik Deryang, Chilban, and Palban. Still, center line attack is coming in. I'm going to step back into fighting stance and Balbadak Yoromaki with my left and Yapchagi, and then Tulo Sandan Kyuk, Murapchagi, and Palkupchi. So outside inside kick, side kick, reverse punch. You're going to mantis grip behind the head and neck or half clinch, and then knee kick and elbow. And back to the start. Other side will be Palban. So I'm going to go to the right. So my right foot goes back. Again, blocking with a kick, side kick, high punch, knee, and elbow. And reset. Now facing the other way, I'll start with my left foot back. Outside inside kick into side kick. Then high punch, clinch, knee, elbow. And repeat it on the other side. Going to the right. Here, outside inside kick, side kick, high punch, clinch knee, and elbow. And that is Ilsusik Deryang, Chilban, and Palban. And that is One Step Sparring 7 and 8. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for new notifications for the videos. And the next video will be 9 and 10. Until the next time, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.